What's up, guys? It's me, your boy Bryce Mason, back doing another video. And today, I actually kind of have some sort of a plan for today. I'm going to ride around you all, like I usually do. That's my usual. And then I'm going to go back home and work on my mountain bike track in the backyard. And then I'm going to hopefully, because me and my dad are taking my pull down at some point, either today or tomorrow, so that's gonna be in the vid. We got just a good video today, so if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next, because I know y'all got some good ideas, and I've been riding for a little minute now. Dadgum. But yeah, it's Friday, and the energy's up. Videos are good. They've been doing good. I've been doing good, posting the videos. My schedule's doing all right. I hadn't missed a day this week, even though I had to upload on my video days, just like today. But oh well, at least y'all are still getting the videos. Y'all are still getting the good quality. And yeah, and if y'all are coming from TikTok, make sure y'all subscribe. And yeah, so I thought I heard geese. I do. Oh, I'm so ready to go duck hunting. Y'all are not ready for those videos. It's really early too, so there's a lot of people out. But there they are. I'm gonna ride over to the corner store. Just the convenience store. Nothing too special about it. I got some change on me, so I'm gonna go. I'm going to I'm gonna go get some snacks probably. But I'm thinking about doing a live stream later. Probably like Among Us or Fortnite or something. Let me know if y'all want to see that, because I'm gonna post this video. This video will be coming out probably about 1 o'clock-ish if I get it edited. I don't know if the audio's coming off my earbuds, my AirPods, or if it's coming from my phone. So if y'all hear some wind noise, just roll with it. I'm sorry. But yeah. Making our way over to the corner store. There's the library. They ain't open yet? Are they not open on Fridays or something? Oh, they are. There's a person right here. So. My bad, I had to cut the video because I was in the street and I had to get out of it real fast. So, dadgum. Oh God, there's a lot of people here. Here we go. Yeah. There's so many people here. It's so early. Come around here. Oh, wee boys. Put my bike up here. I'm gonna take y'all in with me. So, get my phone unmounted. There you go. I'm gonna keep my phone down, so. See, I got a drink at that. I'm probably just gonna get a candy bar. Go on some Skittles. I'm gonna get some Skittles. I should have enough for 2 packs. Guys, I'm back. Oh, I'm sorry if y'all couldn't really hear me in there. I had there was some people in there, and yeah, it was kind of awkward putting the camera in their face, and I didn't want to do like that. But I ended up not buying nothing. Stuff was way overpriced. Like, what? How bad if the wind is really bad? Like I said, the wind's probably bad. So I was just gonna buy a little pack of Skittles. It wasn't much anyway. So I just went ahead, left. I'm gonna go back to the house, I think. Probably get started on my bike track. That kind of got my energy down, man. But it's alright. I'm fine. Woo. I had $1.75 and the packs were $1.79 a piece. I ain't never bought Skittles like from a corner store, so I don't. Yeah, it's alright. It was just a pack of Skittles. I'm fine. Bang! They're still coming out, you know. But it's whatever. Uh-oh. Let me get out this man's way. My bad, there was some random guy cussing back there. Long trek back to the house. Hop off my bike. It's so beautiful out today. It really is. Can y'all see? Pretty blue skies. It's nice and pretty out. Whew. I really want a GoPro. I really, really want a GoPro. I think I may try and get a different camera angle at the house. Like, put my mount on my head or something. I gotta go up this super steep hill. Might not look bad like normally, but it's bad. Like on a bike. So I'm just going. Oh no, what am I tires flat? Oh no. My tire's getting flat. Not bad, it's just whenever I sit on it, the tire squats a lot. Oh, here we go, Susie. Oh. That doesn't look that bad. Whew. almost home. This lady has cats up here. I don't want to show nobody's address or nothing, but this lady has some really pretty cats up here. Let's see if I can. I really don't need my mount. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Look, can you see them? Cats are really pretty. I know the lady's address or nothing, so I just kind of kept it low. Hey, it's so bumpy. The garage still up. Yes. That gum, the wind is so bad. Oh, she ain't out here no more. All right, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go. Wait, are my boots out here or are they inside? I can't remember. But I'm gonna go in, change my shoes. I don't want to get my dad's shoes dirty. Hey, mother. I'm back. I'm gonna go start on my mountain bike track. Okay, I'm gonna go change my shoes. Yes, ma'am. Alright, I'm gonna go change my shoes and I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so I got y'all on my head actually, and y'all should be able to see everything I'm seeing slightly kind of like bad. I don't know. I probably got to review the footage when I'm done. I may just vlog like normally with my hand, but I got it on my, see if y'all can see, like I come down that hill and then I like go around, go up, drift there. See, that's my pool we're taking down. So hopefully, like when that's out of the way, I'll have a way bigger track. What? 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 My dogs are out here, they're helping me film. Hold on guys. Alright guys, I'm back, and well, I was trying to do like a head mount type thing where I had it up here. It just didn't work. But if y'all can see right where, there. No, y'all can't see it. Right there. There. Here, I'll just come up and show y'all. Right here. There. I come up down this hill. There's a little jump type deal thing. It's like a hole. And it comes up. And I hit this hole. I drift down this mountain. I made a little path. And then I go down that way. There's the pool we're taking out. And then I want to come. I'm not going to make the definite path yet, because I don't know what my parents want to do with the backyard. But I know if they let me do it, I have planned out. I'm going to come down here. Go. Turn up right there. Kind of do like a little snake. I got a little jump made up right there. It's at that stump. Then come down. Keep going straight. Drift that little corner. Go up the hill. Here's my dog. Go up the hill. Around my trampoline. Come back. Hit this. Go down. So, yeah. So, I got it mapped out. And I'm just going to set y'all up. And I don't know where I'm going to start. I think I'm going to start like right there. Right there. At that little path. Get working on smoothing it out again. And see if there's a way I can set y'all up. There we go. Hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna go time lapse it. And yeah. So let's go, I guess. Grab my rake, my shovel, and just get to smoothing it out. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up, add some music, and yeah.
Whoa, lonely is the only type, parachute me, I'm coming back down. God dang, everybody coming at my throat now. I'm about to sell all my real estate. Who need a $3 million house? Who
Alright, I got it smoothed out. That's dry. It wasn't really that bad to begin with. It just had some leaves and stuff on it, so I got it all built up again. Got my jump, and I don't know, I'll probably just, there's some extra dirt if I were to build a jump, but trust me, my jump building game is not the best at all. But I think I'm gonna go get my bike and go ride it. But I really want y'all to see, like, my point of view. Maybe my parents can buy me a head mount today, hopefully. My birthday's in 2 weeks? 2-3 weeks, something like that. But I'm just gonna swing, take a little rest real quick because it's cold out, hot out. Yeah. And yeah, figure out what I'm gonna do next, like with my track, really. And I'll see y'all when I have it on. I've been sitting here for a while, and I figured that I'm gonna go with the first plan I had. That was come down from the hill, snake around, go around by the pool, go up the hill, come down like a big loop. So I am. But yeah, y'all didn't eat all that food. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And I'm really hungry. I'm hungry, tired. I didn't get much sleep. I woke up at like 2 something, so, and been up since. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video. But I know it was better. I had some sort of a plan, and let's see, I got a video coming out Sunday, so that'll tomorrow, either today or tomorrow, I'm going to be taking down my pool, so there's going to be a definite video about that. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all next video. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and peace.